Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Klaviyo to send welcome flows that sell, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Klaviyo to send welcome flows that sell, start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the flows section in the left sidebar. Click on the Create Flow button at the top right corner. Select Create from Scratch to start a new flow. Name your flow something descriptive, like Welcome Series. Click on Create Flow to proceed. Now, you will see a blank canvas to build your flow. To begin, drag and drop a trigger into the flow. Choose List Trigger or Segment Trigger based on how you want to start the flow. Select the specific list or segment that will activate the welcome flow. Next, add a time delay to ensure the emails are spaced out appropriately. Set a delay of 1 day for the initial welcome email. Now, drag and drop an email action into the flow. In the email editor, create an engaging subject line that catches attention. Craft a welcoming message that introduces your brand and sets the tone. Include a clear call to action that encourages immediate engagement. Design the email with your branding elements to maintain consistency. Next, add another time delay for follow-up emails. Consider adding more value in each subsequent email. Drag and drop another email action into the flow for your second message. This email could highlight best-selling products or special promotions. Make sure to include links that drive traffic to your store. Repeat the time delay and email addition for as many follow-up emails as you plan. Each email should build on the previous one, aiming to nurture the customer relationship. After setting up all emails, review your flow for any adjustments. Make sure the timing and content align with your sales goals. Once satisfied, click on Review and Turn On in the top right corner. Confirm that your flow is activated and ready to go. Finally, monitor the flow performance from the Analytics dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.